Hello guys, it is Fluffysez here, back out in another video for you guys today. Today guys, we're going to be going over everything you need to know before you start using your Oculus Quest 2. Today's video is going to be more about where to get this information than the actual information itself, as I will be making a playlist that will be linked down in the description and also at the end of today's video that you can check out, that will have videos of mine and videos of other Quest creators that have all the information you're going to end up needing. In today's video, I'm going to be going over certain creators you should subscribe to and watch, and certain tutorials you should take a look at in order to get the most out of your Quest and Quest 2. All of these videos and channels will be super helpful with you owning an Oculus Quest and Quest 2, and I would definitely recommend you check them all out. With that being said though, let's just jump straight into today's video. The Oculus Quest 2 is a super cool device that can do lots of many different things, but it could always use more improving. In order to do this, you sometimes need to do things like modding the Oculus Quest 2 opens up so many different new doors that can allow to an amazing experience while using the Quest 2. One of the best ways to mod is just by watching other videos and following guides. I personally find this to be easiest to do through Discord. So down below I'll have a bunch of Discord servers that you guys can join that'll teach you how to mod the Quest in certain different ways. You just got your Oculus Quest 2 and now you want to know what types of games you want to get. This is really important, as you don't want to be shoving out $30 to buy a game you're gonna play like 3 times and then throw it away into the garbage. In order to get around this problem, it's best to just follow YouTube videos talking and explaining games. That way you can see if you would be interested in it or not. Personally, I think the best person for this would be BMF. BMF has been making content for years now and focuses completely on the Quest and Quest 2. He's mainly game related, meaning he'll go and play brand new games that come out and show them off to you guys, the viewers. His content is absolutely amazing and really well fine-tuned. He shows the exact recording that he gets on the Quest mixed up with his reaction live. It's honestly perfect. He has the game over on the right side in the square resolution, that way you guys can see everything, with him in the bottom left and then his thumbnail up in the top left. It's a really well designed little thing that honestly leads to an amazing viewing experience and shows off a lot of great games. If you're ever interested in whether or not a game looks fun, go check out his channel. I'm sure he will have a video on it. Next up, going back to the basics, I would definitely recommend checking out the official Oculus YouTube channel, as they have a bunch of videos that'll teach you how to set up and clean your device. It's also a great place for new information about upcoming features. It's honestly the greatest place to go if you just need a quick, simple tutorial with a baseline thing that is inside of the Quest 2. Let's just say you did a factory reset and you can't remember how to set up your device. Simply just go to the Oculus channel and check it out on their site. It's super simple, they have all basic stuff, but it's still a good resource to have in your back pocket if something ever goes wrong with your Oculus Quest or Quest 2. It is now time to move on to a shameless plug. Make sure you like this video if this is helping you out at all, and subscribe if you are new, and ding that notification bell so you can check out all of my live streams. Just look at this. You guys, come on, you watch the videos? Why aren't you subscribed? I'm sure you'll love it. Also, if you think you're subscribed, you might not be. YouTube has been unsubscribing people from me recently, so make sure you just go turn that red button gray. With that being said, it's time to actually talk about why you would subscribe. The next thing we're going to talk about is modding your best games. A lot of games have modding capabilities, and my channel is a great place to go for tutorials on how to mod those games. I am constantly pushing out videos on how to mod Beat Saber. I have lots and lots of videos all talking about how to mod it for the PC version, how to mod it for the Quest version, what BMBF actually does, how to get custom songs, how to get custom sabers, how to get custom walls, all sorts of amazing things that you might want in your Beat Saber game, and I do this for a bunch of different games. If someone's suggesting it, I might do it. So make sure you leave comments down below as well, letting me know what games and stuff you want want modded and showcased. Moving on to our last segment here, we're going to be going over how to get new information on the Quest 2 and VR related stuff. Personally, I think the best place to go for VR news is to these two YouTube channels. One of them is Steve Knows and the other is Eric for President. They both have great, well done videos, very easy to follow, and talk about all the key major updates and news for VR. They're constantly pushing out new news videos, and it's honestly just amazing how they're able to stay on such a good schedule, pushing out content for all of you guys who need more information about what is happening in the VR landscape. They talk about new Oculus Quest 2 games, and they talk about new stuff coming to SideQuest, along with updates, terms of service policies, and all of that jazz that you would definitely want to know if you own an Oculus Quest 2. Steve Knows is definitely more family friendly out of the two versus Eric for President, who's a bit more mature and speaks to a more mature audience. Both of them do giveaways every once in a while and always give back to their communities, so I would definitely go send them some love and support by going and checking out their channel. With that being said, that is going to end off today's video. As I said in the beginning of the video, there is a playlist attached to the video linked down in the description or at the end here. Basically, this playlist is just going to consist of videos you should definitely watch when either using or before you use your Oculus Quest or Quest 2. They're honestly super helpful and will allow you to get the most out of your Quest and Quest 2. This playlist has videos talking about free games you can get, how to get free games, the best games to get that are also paid for, as well as ways to clean your Quest 2 without damaging it and to make it the prettiest and cleanest Quest 2 it can be. It also goes over how to set up the Quest 2 and other news and information revolving around Facebook and their policies. But now it's time for me to ask, if you enjoyed today's video, please leave that like down below and subscribe if you are new and want to see more by me. Thank you to all of my members. You guys are absolute mad lads, my little lettuces, my bear cubs, and my mama bears. With that being said, this is your Fluffysez bear, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out, everybody. Bye. I know the video just ended, but for you amazing people who like sticking around and do stick around, this is a message for you guys who actually care. I am going to be taking a bit of a hiatus from YouTube and stuff in general, just because I think that I need a break. I've been doing this for 4 years, and it's a great fun hobby, but I think it's kind of becoming stressful with all of the recent growth and my want to make good content and push out stuff for all of you guys and just keep the channel growing at the pace it is. I think it's becoming too much, especially with online school and stuff, and I just think I need to take a break as I'm not really feeling as motivated to do all the YouTube stuff that I've been doing just a couple months ago. And I just want to be able to push out the best content that I can, and because of this, I think it's just good to take a break. Don't worry, I'll still be posting videos. I'm preloading a bunch of videos right now so I can upload them all out throughout the month, and I should hopefully be coming back in December to come out with a bunch of bangers for you amazing people. With that being said, you people who are watching and listening to this right now, this is for you. Thank you, and I will see you all next month. Peace out, everybody. Bye.